question we get asked about stuff we have.
That air filter?
Yeah, what air filter do y'all use? There you go. We'll even put a link in the description. So this is deceiving. It looks like we're sitting here, car's ready to load up, leaving tomorrow.
We're fixing to line this one up with that marrow out there.
Yeah, I doubt that's gonna happen.
Huh?
There's not enough room.
6.2 liters of hellfire out there.
I mean, I feel like this one could outrun it, so we don't even need to go there.
Even on its own turf, huh?
Have to be a rolling start.
Yeah, I said 20-year-old. Line them up. We're waiting on it. I ain't scared.
We'll do that another day. Right now, we're getting ready to go to Talladega short track for two races. Tomorrow night, Friday night, 2,000 to win, and then the following night, Saturday night, is 3,000 to win. Unsanctioned, super late models. Be taking Joseph's 10 car. It's not sitting here ready to go yet, but we are about to, as soon as Joseph gets the air filter on it, make a lap around the neighborhood so that we can try out our transmission. If y'all remember from the video the other day, we took this transmission out. This is the transmission that acted up on us at Sonoya. I don't think it was it wasn't going to make very many more laps. So we made it through the race, finished second. If y'all haven't watched that video, go watch it. Then we took the transmission out of this car, put it over in this one. So we're going we let it down last night. Last thing me and Joseph did, let it down, ready to go out on the road here and make sure it goes into gear and everything works properly. Ain't that the plan?
Properly.
Yeah.
Got oil on it.
Yeah, I felt that.
Same mosquito was about.
They getting their last.
Yeah, last hoorah in.
They feeling the cold weather.
Have you seen the weather forecast?
Don't be cold.
Joseph was just trying to find us a torpedo heater at the hardware store. Hopefully they won't sell it before we get there. They only had one left. All right, beautiful. Go check them out. Kinser Air Filters. Like I said, we'll leave a link in the description.
The battery charger still hooked up?
Yeah, you can unplug it or leave it till he cranks it. No. Somebody asked in a comment, why don't y'all spin it over and get oil pressure before you crank it? We do. I just always edit it out.
Don't we do that like
Every time. There you go. Easy greasy.
166.
Back away from you coming down the driveway or down the road there. Clutch work. I mean, we ain't gonna bleed it. We're gonna bleed it.
I feel like it ain't gonna have much air in it though, because it pumped it a couple times and it's.
As soon as you got in it, you took off backwards. Yeah.
All right. Well, at least we know it goes into gear. That's a plus.
All right.
Okay, we gonna get her jacked up. What else we gotta do other than change the fluid in the transmission?
Get the body straight.
Oh yeah, we got this right here to deal with. And yeah, go over it. All right, and Jesse's got to groove a tire. Yeah. All right, let's get to work. We need to load this thing tonight.
This thing right here broke again.
It broke. Too much pressure. You got Jack? Here they are. These are broken.
There's a little tab right here. It breaks at the top where it gets put.
You got a bigger, better replacement?
Oh yeah, this one gonna do it. Oh, now we gotta figure out
Well, you're going to have to measure it on the
how
ground.
high you want it.
How high you want it?
Let's just
Snug it up. We'll have to adjust it on the ground. Yeah, and measure it.
You gotta drill holes for these.
To bolt these.
Those ain't gonna fit no more. They're gonna...
Yeah, you gotta drill holes.
Yeah, look there. Nothing to it. You got a drill? Got it?
Yeah. You're on there.
You got one more.
Uno más.
You run it?
Yeah, you can run it. Just tighten up a little bit. Whoa.
Too tight?
No, that's good.
Alright, there we go. One thing off the list. We replaced that broken piece with a
New style.
new, bigger piece.
Yeah.
This, Joseph ran into Overton on a restart. Got up under him, or I guess got his left rear tire. Didn't hit him hard enough. I know, I saw it. Like, and it didn't really look that bad. You come around the next lap, like, well, dang. Anyway, all right. Let's see what we got here. So we'll have to get pull the. Y'all have seen us do this before, but we pull the plastic away and straighten up the metal piece. See where it's bent there. And then we got another metal piece that we're going to put on there and double it up. So you'll have thicker, maybe it won't bend as easy. Good. Oops. Here, take it off. There you go. Okay. All right, now we can do something. So we gotta straighten this where it's lipped up and bent.
Yeah.
And we gotta. What the heck?
Oh my God! What is that?
It's after him. So,
It's big as fuck.
he just slapped himself in the head. I think it was just a moth or something.
Oh my God! It was huge.
That is definitely going in the video.
Dude, that thing was huge.
All right, so we gotta straighten this, and then we got another piece to double it up so it'd be still. Here, try this.
Hold on.
Oh, you got it.
Let me try that.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Watch this, it's not gonna work. Oh my God. Flip over. Oh, whoa.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Back. Missing our big screwdriver, that's all we need.
Hey, they coming after you. Here they come.
Dude, what if they really are?
Hey, y'all gonna have to stop that riding around your neighborhood.
Yeah.
It wasn't me, it was that other guy.
It wasn't this right. These right. Look, this thing's apart. Yeah, look at this thing. It's apart. It wasn't this thing. Did you see that cop coming for you?
I mean, how straight do y'all want it?
It's your nose.
y'all
Dang, you just
want it?
gonna run into somebody else and bend it again.
We gotta quit talking about him like giving him a bit bad rap.
It's gonna make it where it doesn't bend so easily.
Yeah, we gotta get it bolted on and then drill some holes in this other piece to get it all bolted up.
Yeah. Well, anyway, doubling up here for stiffness.
Okay.
Well, it already had holes in it.
For this, but he's got holes in this. You got to drill to put holes, bolt it right there.
Oh, I see.
And I'm just got to put these bolts in so that way.
All right, hold it where it needs to
Where it needs to be. Get ready with that. Do it. Okay.
Oh, this is where the nose bolts. So you're gonna leave that there.
Drill these holes.
All right, and then take them out, put the nose back on. I see what you're doing. It's all making sense to me now. There goes your friend.
Yeah, that doesn't need to go away.
Boat.
You wanna go up or down?
Up.
You wanna go up?
Yeah, otherwise you're gonna be digging in the dirt.
Oh!
Move.
Tighten it.
But a lot more.
Well, tell Uncle JoJo to quit running into people.
Listen it up.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, that bit's done. That bit's done. It's tight.
Pull the
Now
other
I'm gonna
one.
take the other ones out.
Yeah, pull the other one back out, put the nose on.
You got it.
What about Tennessee's piece?
It can go on. Well, it go underneath. No, it goes on top. No, underneath.
Yeah.
Oh god.
You alright?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Well, no.
What?
Born that way though.
Yeah. What?
Good.
Oh. Y'all getting it?
Oh my gosh, give me a bolt, give me a bolt. Oh my
We
gosh.
need a whip.
Lined
We
up
need a
right
gun. How about a drill? We need a drill
there you go.
handle.
Run it. Oh yeah. Huh?
Bolts long enough?
Yeah. Nothing was.
I think you need to help us,
You
Daddy.
think so? Oh, hey, I'm holding the camera. You want to hold the camera? All right. You got to point it at Uncle JoJo while he works. Tell him what he's doing.
He is putting on this. Push, push.
Huh. Not sure if that made much sense, but okay.
Yeah.
All right, Uncle JoJo's over there, silly. Hey, you gotta hold it steady. Number one, hold the camera
You don't want to
steady.
make anybody puke on YouTube.
Yeah. Good job.
Look at it. The pumpkin wheel.
You know who most appreciates our new rivet gun?
The pumpkin wheel.
The viewers.
Well, yeah, them too.
Me.
Well, yeah, us too. No, my neighbor. Because
that
used
generator?
to, I'd
Oh,
have the air compressor out the back door. They'd be
Just
it'd be-
humming all night.
Yeah. Uh huh.
Okay, so we need to do that.
What's your finger?
The Speedway.
We missed you in the podcast
The
this week.
dirt oval.
Hey,
missed- we
actually,
missed
speaking
you
of the
in the
podcast, we graded your performance. Who do you think was the most critical of you?
100%.
Y'all had to check it out to see. We do the almost weekly podcast on Patreon, the HTF Nation Fan Club, we call it. Do some updates from the track, post the full feature, that kind of stuff. Y'all can check it out. Links in the description.
Okay, go knock it off.
You just wait.
You gotta move them. You gotta move them.
So
What
John,
y'all done? Nobody goes up lane with a flat left rear on the last corner. Been mad at me? Y'all have been mad at me. Yeah, okay.
So that little bump was by design. Is that what you're telling us?
Saying it. No, it wasn't by design, but what?
Everybody be like, that was dirty.
I don't even know how I hit it.
Instead of Joe Dirty, be Joe Dirty.
That thing is right.
You changing the fluid without us?
Yeah, it don't look that good. When's the last time you changed it?
Heck, you drive that car more than I do. When's the last time you changed it?
I like that, John.
Better do some shavings.
You look good?
Yeah.
You got that tire done yet?
Yeah, what you doing over here?
Green tire, you ain't got time to stop.
We're gonna be running 3 used tires tomorrow night, but we do have a new right rear, and
You know what
Jesse's
gets
getting his
me?
line straight
You know
here.
what gets me?
Tell me.
We'll
That
get
tire
you.
in the trailer already got blocked.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's for
Because
Saturday
it's at
night.
the racetrack. It means you ain't got to do a whole tire at the racetrack on the spot.
Exactly.
Okay.
I mean,
So you're looking out for me, really.
Yeah, your best interest in mine. We had to
We
take a
got
break.
some fries and chicken.
All right, we're gonna eat dinner. I think we're just gonna put this tires on this thing. Jesse's got to finish grooving that one, and we're gonna put it on the ground. There's Templeton. You gotta go inside.
Come on.
Poor dog.
Good luck. We got chicken.
That's Shadow's dog.
Go.
You gotta sit pretty. Y'all watch this. Oh, there's Missy. That's my dog. Hey, you gotta sit pretty.
Wow, Jesse.
You-
Hey, sit. Sit.
Y'all watch this.
Oh.
Such a good dog. Here you go, girlie. There you go.
Don't ever do it for me.
Chicken makes
He's
up.
like, yo, dude.
You didn't give him anything? That's terrible.
Oh my God, Joseph. Good.
Good. All right, you ready for Talladega? Hey, it's just probably gonna be me, Joseph, and Jesse tomorrow night, Friday night. So y'all be easy on us. We're gonna be wide open, but we'll be there. Hopefully the rest of the crew, or the ladies anyway. Y'all coming Saturday?
That's the plan.
That's the plan. Hopefully they'll be there Saturday. Yeah, and we'll be there Talladega 2 nights. Y'all wish us luck. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you later.
Look at him. Look at him.
Just look at him. Take hard.
I saw that.
Oh, they're used to this.
Oh yeah, they can. He can't catch. She
Come sit
can.
down. I'm done. I'm hungry.
Look how pretty he is.
How can you say no to that?